Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed becomes a giant mango tree? The secret lies in plant tissues. Let's discover how plants are built. A plant tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to do one job. Just like footballers in a team, each tissue has a special role to play. Plant tissues are classified into two main groups. Meristematic tissues divide and grow. Permanent tissues are mature and specialized, including the famous xylem and phloem. Inside every stem, xylem sits towards the center while phloem lies outside. Together they form the vascular bundle, the plant's transport highway. Xylem carries water and mineral salts from the roots upward to the leaves. Its cells are dead and hollow with tough lignin walls like rigid pipes carrying water in your home. Phloem transports food, mainly sugars made in the leaves, to all parts of the plant. Unlike xylem, phloem cells are alive and move food in both directions. Example 1. A xylem vessel appears 50 mm wide under a microscope, but its real width is 0.5 mm. Using magnification equals image over actual, we get 100 times. Example 2. If a plant moves 200 milliliters of water through its xylem in 4 hours, the rate equals volume divided by time. That gives 50 milliliters per hour. Many students wrongly say both xylem and phloem are alive. Remember, xylem cells are dead and hollow, while phloem cells are alive. Bush burning and overgrazing damage these tissues, reducing crop yield. Memory aid. X marks the spot for H2O. Xylem carries water up. Phloem with P means plant food flows everywhere. Avoid burning farmland to protect these vital tissues. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.